We've all seen those girls whose skin looks like it has its own soft glow filter. And I used to sit there like, okay, but how? Yeah, I know. Genetics, skincare, hydration, we've heard it all before. But here's the part no one talks about enough. Your diet is a secret skincare routine of its own. So today I'm spilling the tea on exactly what I eat for glowing, healthy skin. No crazy detoxes, no boring diets, just real food that works. Step 1. Skin hydration starts with food. We all know water is important, but did you know you can eat your hydration too? I start my mornings with water-rich foods like cucumbers, oranges, and watermelon. These keep your skin plump and glowy from the inside out. Bonus, they also help flush out toxins so your skin stays clear and smooth. Step 2. The Glow-Giving breakfast. Okay, so my go-to skin-friendly breakfast, a glowing girl smoothie. I blend frozen berries, antioxidants, half a banana, a handful of spinach, chia seeds, coconut water or almond milk. It tastes like dessert, but it feeds your skin like a green juice. Berries especially, they're your skin's besties. They protect against sun damage and aging. Step 3. Fats that slay. If you're scared of fats, girl, don't be. Your skin loves healthy fats. I make sure to get in avocados, nuts, and olive oil every single day. These keep your skin soft, glowing, and super youthful. I usually snack on almonds or drizzle olive oil on my salad like I'm on a cooking show. Step 4. Lunch that loves you back. My lunch is usually a big glowing bowl. Quinoa, grilled chicken or tofu, mixed greens, avocado, and sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are packed with beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin, your skin's favorite nutrient. Think of it as an edible skincare serum. Step 5. Gut health equals skin health. Nobody tells you this, but if your gut is a mess, your skin probably is too. That's why I include fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, or even kombucha a few times a week. Your skin is basically a mirror of your digestion. Heal your gut equals heal your face. Step 6. Sugar? Choose wisely. I'm not anti-sugar, but refined sugar, that's a skin saboteur. Instead, I use raw honey, dates, or dark chocolate when I'm craving something sweet. They satisfy the craving without messing with my glow. Step 7. The Glowing Girl Golden Drink. Before bed, I make this glowy skin drink. Warm almond milk plus turmeric plus a pinch of black pepper plus cinnamon plus honey. It's anti-inflammatory, relaxing, and literally feeds your skin overnight. So, no, it's not about being perfect, it's about choosing food that loves your skin back. Eat colorful, eat fresh, stay hydrated, and you'll be shocked at how fast your skin starts glowing. Remember, your glow up isn't just in your makeup bag, it's on your plate too. Like, share, and comment if you want a What I Eat in a Day Skin Edition vlog next.